So I thought I'd do a bike check on my Banshee Morphine, to show you what there is. So I've got a Banshee Morphine frame, or Mythic Morphine, which is absolutely bomb proof. This frame is absolutely beast, it'll do anything. Designed to take 200mm dual crowns if I want. I absolutely love this frame. I've got Avid Code rear brake, 4-pot. I've got DMR, not DMR, Hope DH wheels with Hope Pro 4 hubs, front and back. Rijoki 6.6 titanium forks, 243 DH stem with Danger Boy top cap, Spank spoon 785 bars, Shimano Dior front brake, which does the job for now. And at the moment I've got Maxxis wet screams, DMR X-type crankset, so just solid, never break, single speed, half link chain, YBN I think, cheap DMR chainring, but strong, built to last. I've got a race face seat post, some random seat, FSA headset, DMR def grips, they're fucking awesome. Shimano Saint bottom bracket. That's about it really. Simple and easy. This is the main bike I ride for free ride or downhill mostly. It's my favourite bike that I ride. So yeah, that's it.